Everyone can succeed in affiliate marketing with determination and this advice. Learn some tips that can help you choose the best plan for the affiliate marketing of your site. You can figure out everything you need not to fall for marketing traps and how not to lose money, customers, or traffic to your website. It's not so scary once you know the basics. It is important that you treat your website visitors right. They know an affiliate advertisement when they see one. If you endorse a product that you do not believe in, or if you take advantage of their visit with excessive ads, then they will not visit your website in the future. Take contract length into consideration. Many companies that work with affiliates put solid time frames into their contracts, usually between 6 to 12 months. Choose carefully when considering the time frames available. You don't want to get stuck with a contract that you aren't happy with for a full year. After you get your foot in the door with affiliate marketing, you shouldn't rest on your laurels. Begin seeking out new opportunities and expand your horizons. Make another blog or add another domain to your host server and interlink your site so that your current customers can check out your new venture. At the least, you should annually perform focus groups with customers and site visitors. Focus groups give you a chance to see your audience and their physical reactions to your products or services. You may find that focus group members also have terrific new ideas that you would have never thought of on your own. Successful affiliate marketing is all about building relationships. Be sure to join blogs and forums having to do with the product that you wish to promote. Make comments frequently, and if you are allowed, include links to your website. You can make valuable contacts and build powerful alliances by identifying and befriending others who share your enthusiasm for your product. Be proactive while you are writing your video. Use lots of keywords and phrases that the vast majority of people will use to search for that subject matter. Using these keywords will increase the chances that it will come up in search engine results, which is where most people go to find their information. As you can see, finding good team affiliates for marketing your website isn't as difficult as it may appear. It just requires doing research, working hard on your website, and having a lot of patience. The work will pay off once you see how it can help your business. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.